What if I told you that the richest people in your city might be the ones you've never noticed? Not the ones driving luxury cars, not the ones flashing gold watches, not the ones showing off Instagram perfect vacations. In fact, the people who actually hold generational wealth, the kind that survives market crashes, recessions, and even pandemics, often look so ordinary that you'd mistake them for your neighbors at the grocery store. Shocking, right? Because our brain has been trained to equate wealth with display. But stealth wealth flips the script. It's wealth hidden in plain sight. Here's a surprising fact. According to a study from the Federal Reserve, nearly 60% of U.S. millionaires live in homes valued under $400,000, far below what most people imagine. They blend in on purpose. And today, I'm going to take you through 10 silent habits they practice. Habits that not only protect their fortune, but help it grow quietly while the world chases appearances. Stick with me till the end, because the last habit is the most counterintuitive yet life-changing rule you'll ever hear about building wealth. If you believe you're built for more, subscribe now. We're here to guide you with tools, strategies, and stories that actually make a difference. Let's begin with the first silent habit. Number 1, they don't buy to impress, they buy to protect. Picture this. A young man, let's call him Daniel, earns his first $100,000 salary. His first instinct? Upgrade the car, rent a luxury apartment downtown, and post it all online to let the world know he's made it. Within a year, he's living paycheck to paycheck again, drowning in credit card bills, stressed about loan payments, and trapped in a cycle that feels luxurious but is actually fragile. Now compare that with someone quietly wealthy. They might also have $100,000, but their choices are invisible armor. Instead of pouring money into liabilities that depreciate, like cars or overpriced gadgets, they direct cash into assets that protect their future, dividend-paying ETFs, index funds tracking the S&P 500, rental properties generating passive income, or even bonds that cushion against downturns. If they aren't showing wealth through possessions, how do they express it? Habit 2 will reveal the surprising way they silently demonstrate power and security without anyone noticing. Number 2, they guard their time like gold. Meet Sophia, a top executive at a tech firm. Everyone sees her as always busy, back-to-back meetings, constant emails, and social events. But behind the scenes, she protects her time fiercely. She doesn't attend every networking dinner or say yes to every favor. Her secret? Time is her silent currency, far more valuable than the $5,000 a night lifestyle her peers chase. Most people undervalue time. They believe long hours equal success. The problem? They burn energy on low-value tasks, social obligations, or distractions, leaving nothing for strategic moves, like investing, learning, or building multiple income streams. A study showed that high-net-worth individuals spend 30% less time on social media than the average worker, yet their wealth grows exponentially. Instead of spreading themselves thin, stealth wealthy people focus on high-leverage activities, portfolio reviews, understanding the stock market, or meeting advisors who maximize returns on investments like dividend stocks, ETFs, and rental properties. Every decision is filtered through the lens of long-term impact. The transformation is subtle but profound. While others waste years chasing approval or reacting to urgent but trivial matters, they quietly compound wealth and influence. Number 3, they let money work, not just earn it. A software engineer who hustles 12 hours a day. He earns $120,000, spends on lifestyle upgrades, and still worries about bills. He's trapped in the earn-to-spend cycle. Meanwhile, someone practicing stealth wealth, let's call her Elena, earns a similar income but approaches money differently. She doesn't just work for it, she makes it work for her. The mistake most make is trading time for money without realizing that financial freedom comes when money generates more money. Stealth wealth individuals focus on capital appreciation, passive income, and portfolio diversification instead of chasing lifestyle upgrades that vanish overnight. Silently letting money work is powerful, but the richest also master a psychological tool few notice, a habit that prevents impulsive mistakes and multiplies results. Habit 4 will reveal this almost invisible mindset hack that separates the rich from everyone else. Number 4, they master patience through delayed gratification. According to behavioral finance research, People who delay gratification are more likely to accumulate long-term wealth, outperforming their impulsive peers by decades. The psychological edge is enormous. The brain begins associating patience with power, and every financial decision becomes intentional. Most people make the mistake of prioritizing short-term pleasure over long-term security. They see wealth as instant consumption, not strategic growth. Stealth wealth individuals invert this approach. They enjoy life after their assets and passive income streams are secured, not before. The transformation is profound. The same $2,000 spent impulsively could, in 10 years, grow into $50,000 through careful investing and compounding. The hidden curiosity is this: delayed gratification is powerful, but the wealthy don't stop there. Habit 5 reveals a nearly unknown strategy they use to amplify growth without sacrificing freedom, a habit almost nobody teaches. Number 5. They avoid lifestyle inflation like a secret weapon. Lifestyle inflation is a silent killer. According to research, people who increase spending with every raise rarely save more than 5% of their income, while those who maintain frugality and invest strategically can grow net worth exponentially. Wealthy people know that avoiding unnecessary upgrades multiplies the impact of every dollar earned. Liam, quietly wealthy, who received the same raise. Instead of inflating his lifestyle, he keeps his living costs steady and invests the extra $20,000 into dividend-paying ETFs, blue-chip stocks, and a small rental property. The result? His wealth compounds silently while others chase appearances. Stealth wealth individuals invert this. The higher the income, the more strategic the investment. By resisting societal pressures to look rich, they allow money to grow invisibly in assets that generate passive income. Number 6. They build invisible networks, not public connections. Studies show that wealthy individuals often find 70% of investment and business opportunities through close personal networks rather than public channels. They understand that the loudest connections rarely yield the highest returns. Stealth wealth individuals focus on trust, credibility, and reciprocity, assets that compound quietly over time. They know the richest opportunities are invisible, arriving only to those prepared and patient enough to nurture relationships beneath the radar. Number 7. They track wealth invisibly, not for show. Research shows that individuals who actively monitor investments increase long-term returns by 20–30% compared to passive earners who rarely check their portfolios. Wealth isn't about having money. It's about knowing where it is, how it's growing, and when to act. Most people mistake passive observation for financial security. Stealth wealth individuals understand that control without display is power. They measure, adjust, and optimize quietly, avoiding the mistakes that come from overconfidence or social pressure. Tracking is powerful, but the richest add a hidden layer that multiplies outcomes without extra effort, a psychological and financial secret lever few even know exists. Habit 8 will reveal this subtle, almost invisible habit that silently accelerates wealth growth while keeping them completely under the radar. Number 8. They protect wealth before showing it. Picture Ethan, who just got a windfall from a bonus. His first instinct? Upgrade his lifestyle, tell friends, maybe even post it online. Within months, unexpected expenses and poor planning eat away at the surprise gain. Now meet Grace, quietly wealthy. She views every dollar as a tool, not a trophy. When she receives extra income, she first ensures her safety net is strong. Emergency funds, insurance, diversified investments, and debt-free status. Only after her wealth is secure does she consider spending or lifestyle upgrades. And even then, it's done quietly, with long-term value in mind. Stealth wealth individuals prioritize protection, using strategies like asset allocation, insurance, and tax-efficient investing. They create invisible barriers that preserve gains and compound growth, ensuring long-term stability. The world will never have to know how rich you truly are, but you'll feel it every day in freedom, security, and the power to shape your own life. Start today, not tomorrow, because stealth wealth isn't about luck. It's about smart, intentional action that turns ordinary earnings into extraordinary legacy. In every video, I try to discuss and address the factors that surely improve the chances of your success. If you like this also, subscribe the channel, like and share the wealthy knowledge to your loved ones. Now, if you want to know Why salary alone will never make you rich? Then watch this video, I'll see you there.